Hi, this is Jeremy Ned from Bantha Whisperer Custom Installs, and right here I got a hilt that came in from Jordan. Gonna be installing it out. A little bit older board here. He sent it in with a Nano Biscotte V4. He's already selected out the font, so I'm gonna be loading onto the Nano Biscotte V4, and he sent one of these little Keystone Saberforge chassis, which I just happened to have a couple keystones left over, so gonna be using one of these, sliding in here, there. So it's gonna be pretty basic install. I'll be putting in 18650 rechargeable battery. Yeah, it's got the pommel for this right here, and it'll be getting a stock NeoPixel PCB connector in it, as well as a 12mm AV switch and recharge port. I have Jordan's Saberforge Parts hilt, so it's got 12mm momentary switch in here. It's got stock Custom Works V3 NeoPixel PCB recharge port. It's got an older chassis that Jordan sent with the hilt. This one's got an 8-ohm 3-watt bass speaker, Nano Biscotte V4 right there. Keep power 18650. Went through, modified the fonts on here. So he's got some older K-Sith fonts that he got from the Legacy font package from K-Sith. Dooku's Revenge is loaded on here. Sidious No Mercy, which is from the Clone Wars one, and then Young Solo. So set up really nice. So pull a kill key. First font down here is Young Solo. See that lovely blue. So you slide the blade in. Okay, next one.
We will destroy
Dooku's Revenge. So turned out really nice. Looks good.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, then please press the like button.
And if you like what you've been watching, please hit the subscribe button.
To see our latest video, click on the link to the right.
Thank you again. Later.